Yo, what up mga Encanto? It's your boy A-Tech, Rippin' C Tattoo Studio. Yo, and it's another short video para sa ating mga client. And our project for today is customized design ng Copita glass na ginawang letter G yung upper part. Bali, idea nila client to. So, sketch muna tayo hanggang sa mahuli natin yung gusto nilang design. And approve naman kila ma'am yung outcome ng design natin. So, recta print, sabay recta sa balat. And pinong linya agad using 5RL ng Aurora. Kadalasan, inaabot lang ng 5 to 10 minutes yung gantong design. Kaya mabilis lang talaga siya. Mas matagal pa yung preparation natin. And kagaya ng dati, inis agad after ng session using green soap. And we're done. The big shout out to Ma'am Roan, Sir Jim, and Ma'am Regine. And it's your boy A-Tech, Rippin' C Tattoo Studio. Peace out.
Kill it ready. Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan, Nike, Jordan. I need a girl like Kelly.